Hello, everyone. This is Dee Rondinella, Coordinator of Technology Training for the Stark County District Library. Through the last several weeks, I have been listening to the news and also speaking with some of our local educators about resources their students may need to continue their online education. I had asked them had they looked into our digital collections. Many had, but had not thought about Hoopla. When I mentioned Hoopla and all of its wonderful resources that are nonfiction as well as fiction in ebook manner, as well as in videos, TV, and music, they were rather surprised because they didn't think there was so much there. So I thought today I would take you into Hoopla and show you some of the ways that you can access the information and the different formats that are available. When you go to the library's webpage at starklibrary.org, you're going to find in that top navigation bar an option called Services. Underneath the Services options, you will see there's many things that are available to you. The one we're going to look at is 24/7 online. When I click on that, it takes me to another page that has a listing of all of our digital collection options. The one I'm going to go into first is ebooks. Right there on top is Hoopla. When I click on Hoopla, I can access it via a web browser. You can use the app if you'd like on a mobile device, but most students are working from computers, so I wanted to show you the option in a browser. Right here is a button called Open Hoopla. When I click on it, it is going to take me to the Hoopla page. And right there it is. What it's going to require is your email address and password if you've already set up an account. If not, click the Get Started button and fill out the simple information that you need. I'm going to go ahead and click on the login because I'm ready to go. Right here's my page. And if you look, I am able to borrow 15 titles per month. They will automatically return, or you can return them easy when you're finished using them. Now, as I said, there's a lot of ones that are recommended for you. You can have some favorites that you can choose, but I want to show you some that are perhaps more to what you need for your students. I'm clicking on the Everything option box. You can see it up here at the top, and I'm just going to type in the word great. The reason I'm doing that is because I want you to think of a single word and all the things that you can find. When I do that and I strike my enter key, here I'm brought forward to a bunch of wonderful little options that you can have and you can use and look through. I'm going to come back up here and this time, let's type in two words. I'm going to type in great experiences. And there we go. Look, we got a couple of different things available to us already. And look what we've got. Great experiments in physics, great fitness, great scientific experiments. But if you continue to move down, you're going to see that there are much more. Now, that's using two words, but what if you have a specific subject that you need help with? Perhaps you need some help with, history. More specifically, maybe World War II. And there you are. You have a collection of World War II books. These are in audio, ebooks that you can check out. Now, you could have a younger generation. And so, how would you drill down to get specific information for them? Well, Hoopla has inside of it a kids section. And if you notice right where my cursor is at or pointer is at, you're going to see I'm going to click on it, and it is going to bring forward items that are available for children. So, what about, maybe Roosevelt's? There they are, the Roosevelt's. And these are meant for a younger audience. You can drill down using keywords, specific subjects. You can even come and choose by format, date of release, perhaps the date added, patron rating, and language. Now, maybe you need to borrow one. So I'm going to grab this one right here. It's a nice ebook. It's about Eleanor Roosevelt, and I'm going to click on it. And you're going to notice right here it says I can borrow it. It tells you a little bit about what the book is about. It gives you some basic information, and it is a picture book. This title I can have for 21 days. I'm going to go ahead and borrow it. When I click on borrow, it says this title available for 21 days. So I'm going to borrow that and away I'll go. Now I have that book and I'm able to read it. So I'm going to click on that read button because you never have to leave this page in order to access the material. And there's the book. Page by page, I can begin learning about Eleanor Roosevelt. Very interesting. Right? What this is the options that you have that are available and that you can use. Now, if you're done, there's a button over on the side that will bring up this bottom menu, and I can exit it, and I'm back on my Hoopla account. And perhaps I'm ready to return the book. I can return it on its own, but I think I do want to browse through this one and enjoy it for a later time. If you have any questions about using Hoopla or accessing any of the information pertaining to Hoopla, please let me know. You can reach me at trainer@starklibrary.org. And thank you. We appreciate you.